You know, channel automation can automatically text and email new leads, but what if your potential customer doesn't have a way of receiving text and emails? You don't want to lose out on clients because they only have a landline or don't have access to a computer or internet connection. Meet Channel Automation's IVR appointment confirmation solution, designed to remind your clients of upcoming appointments.
Thank you for setting up your appointment with us, KC Urias. Your appointment is on September 21st, 2022, 11 a.m. Please confirm your appointment by pressing 1 or press 2 to set up a new appointment. Thank you, KC Urias. You are all set. We will be sending you an email and SMS reminders before the appointment. Bye for now.
What if a client hears the message and this? Uh-oh. I forgot I have that appointment tomorrow and I can't make it. We thought about that too. The system gives clients an option to change their appointment date and time while they are still on the line, and will give your team a heads up that this happened.
Thank you for setting up your appointment with us, KC Urias. Your appointment is on September 23rd, 2022, 11 a.m. Please confirm your appointment by pressing 1 or press 2 to set up a new appointment. I will assist you in setting up your new appointment. Please follow this format to schedule an appointment. For example, if you wish to book on the 5th of September, you can say 5th September at 10 a.m.
9th October at 4 p.m.
Your new appointment is October at 4 p.m.
How this experience flows is customizable to your company and can be combined with our text and email features. Try it for yourself to get your leads fully covered through automation.